Hello everyone, I am Angel Gupta, currently a third year IT undergrad at NCT Delhi. Apart from interning at Google in the summer of 2025, I am a Millennium Fellow 24, She Codes Foundation Scholar, and a mentee at Women Tech Makers program by Google. To get right to it, I wanted to take the initiative to share my experience as I have been approached by several juniors recently. So STEP, or now ASDI, that is Associate Software Developer Intern, is a 10 to 12-week internship program offered by Google, specifically designed for undergraduate students who are early in their computer science or software engineering journey, wherein you get the chance to work on real Google projects alongside full-time engineers, contributing to meaningful code that actually impacts millions of users. One thing that stands out is that it's not just about coding, but you also participate in professional development workshops, tech talks, mentorship sessions, and networking events designed to help you grow and understand the software development lifecycle in a big tech company. And what makes STEP so special is that it's very beginner friendly. Moving the needle to eligibility requirements. First, you need to be an undergraduate student pursuing a degree in computer science or a closely related technical field. Next, it's designed for students who are early in their studies, usually in their first or second year of the degree. And a good thing to have is some basic programming experience in languages like Java, Python, C++, or any other, but it doesn't expect you to be an expert. Coming to my personal experience, for me, it was actually neither off campus nor on campus. I was reached out by a kind recruiter through my staging in Google Hackathon, but the shortlisting was done in a similar modus operandi to that of an off campus process. Walking through my first call to the final offer, it started with a short 10 to 15-minute telephonic call with the Google recruiter. I was asked about my background, projects, coding profiles, and my availability for further rounds. After this, they shared some resources to prepare from. Next were two technical interviews, each lasting 45 minutes. Both rounds were focused purely on DSA problems, where I was expected to explain my approach, write code, and solve follow up questions if any. And about 2 weeks after the interviews, I shared my transcripts and luckily got my Google STEP internship offer. Since I was asked a lot about my any interview tips, again, I am not an expert, just a student like you, but a few tips would definitely be read. I repeat, please read about the job description or role and convince yourself how you're a perfect fit. On top of that, prepare a brief introduction in advance. Carefully listen to the questions being asked and re explain them if necessary. Try to explain with brute force approach first, slowly climbing the ladder towards optimize and explain it satisfactorily. Additionally, try practicing thinking out loud while coding. I understand it might not be the easiest, but it's a necessity. And do think of edge cases, and you're good to go. Though not required, I want to share a short part of my experience to encourage and motivate everyone. It was amazing. Imagine being watching your favorite series, but instead of the protagonist, it's you. Yes, you with real learning and fun projects, enjoying all the perks Google has to offer. Every day is something new, super exciting, but a bit challenging because, well, it's Google, right? Plus, the culture there really pushes you to experiment and not to be afraid of failing because, spoiler alert, failing is just a part of the process. Definitely a chapter I'll always cherish. And to everyone still watching, courteous thank you and go for it. I know, yes, I know you can do it and you'll nail it. All the best, test. Bye. And if you're still here, just let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. And if you want to reach out, please feel free to reach out to me anytime on LinkedIn or go through my Medium blog. And please ignore my editing and recording skills. Not best at it, but really wanted to help some of you guys. So trying. Yeah. Bye.